Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a page break quiz in Google Forms. So let's get right into it. Click the 9 dots next to your profile and select Forms. Here, select Blank Quiz. I'm going to type in a title. You can add a description, but I'm going to leave mine blank. Now it's time to start adding questions. I'm just going to make my first question full name. You can come here to select the number of points you want to be assigned for each correct answer. I'm going to set mine to 5 and click Done. Click the plus button to add a new question. I'm going to make mine multiple choice. To add a page break, click the icon that looks like two rectangles. I'm going to add 2 page breaks to mine. I'm going to add 2 new questions based on the response to this previous question. After adding all your questions, click the eye to preview it. As you can see, the page has been broken into pieces, so you can select one of the choices here and click Next. Even though I selected the egg as my answer, it still took me to this next question. Now I want it to take me straight to this question if I select the egg. So I'm going to go back and edit this. I'm going to click these 3 dots at the bottom of this question and I'll select Go to section based on answer. For the first choice, I'm going to select Go to section 2, and for the second, I'll select Go to section 3. And when I preview this, and I select the egg, it's going to automatically take me to section 3. After making your desired changes to the form, you can click Publish so that anyone with the link can get it, or you can share it to specific people and groups. I'm going to publish mine. Whenever you want the form to stop accepting responses, you can come back to the Publish button and turn accepted responses off and save. And it will show you the message, this form isn't accepting responses. And that is how to make a page break quiz in Google Forms. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.